I'm just having some fun with some leftover paint. I'm just going to do a simple, fun flip cup. It is changing so much right now. I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna see what it looks like when it's dry. I put way too much gold in, but you know what? This was leftover paint, and this was fun. It swelled up the Pebeo iridescent blue here. Definitely swelled that up. Yeah, this is in there. but it looks like it got swallowed up. I didn't put that much in there, but there's a little bit of it here and here, so we will see what this looks like when it's dry. I hope you liked this painting. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already.